Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, can't click anything on desktop in Windows. First method is press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape keys. Select Windows Explorer, click Restart. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type SFC /scanno. Type DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Windows Update, click Check for updates. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.